Hey guys, CryptoDad here again, and today I'm going to show you how to use Rarible to buy, sell, and trade NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. So let's get started. Alright, so I'm here on the Rarible homepage. Non-fungible tokens are a new and emerging technology on the blockchain. I guess it's been around for a little bit. But basically, a non-fungible token is a blockchain-based token that is a one-of-a-kind or a one-of-a-series. So when we think about Bitcoin or Ethereum, those are non-unique. And there's one Bitcoin is the same as another Bitcoin. And you could swap them out. If you had a Bitcoin and I had a Bitcoin, we could trade them and there wouldn't be any difference. But a non-fungible token is a token that is unique in its own sense, like a piece of art here. And so you can see on Rarible, there are a lot of non-fungible tokens that are available for purchase. And then once you accumulate them, you could even sell them again later and trade them. So I'm going to first show you how to connect to Rarible. You're going to need a wallet to connect. Now there are a lot of different wallets that you can use. You'll notice here that they support MetaMask, Wallet Connect, Wallet Link, and Formatic, but I'm going to focus on MetaMask today. So I have my MetaMask wallet installed in my browser. Now, if you don't know how to set up your MetaMask wallet, I've got a great video, which I'll put a link to up in the corner, that'll show you how to get started with MetaMask. It's basically a browser extension that you can use, and then it's a cryptocurrency wallet that you fund with your own coins. So once you've got the MetaMask wallet set up and you've got it funded, you're ready to go. So as you can see there, I've got a little balance of Ethereum. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit MetaMask here. And then you'll notice now that my icon appears over here. And there's a wallet address, right? The 2B1F. That's the same address as my MetaMask wallet. So I've got my MetaMask wallet connected to Rarible. Now, if you want to get started with Rarible and you want to customize your homepage, then basically you'll go over here to My Profile. And as you can see, I've got a background and I've got a little icon here that's got my picture. So when we go to Edit Cover, we can upload a image, right? It needs to be horizontal, right? Longer than it is high to fit the dimensions of this page. So you'll choose an image that's this resolution. You can create it in pretty much any basic editing program. Now, whenever you make changes to these, you're going to need to sign it with your MetaMask wallet. So the MetaMask wallet will pop up and allow you to make changes or upload new images, right? So if you want to edit your profile, you'll just hit these three dots down here. And we can choose Edit Preferences. Now, let's say that I would like to edit this field a little bit, right? Let's say I'll put YouTuber. Alrighty, and now that I've edited this field a little bit, we'll hit Update Preferences. And then you'll notice my MetaMask wallet comes up, and I'm going to need to sign that transaction. So I'll hit Sign, and then those updated preferences get posted. Notice that I didn't need to sign up for an account with Rarible at all. I simply needed to connect it to my own wallet. There's no KYC. You don't have to make this Rarible account identifying to you. There's no reason not to, especially if you would like to sell some of your own works on Rarible. They've updated the description there, right? So notice how the two interplay with each other, right? You're on the Rarible website, but it's connected to your MetaMask wallet, and any changes that you make on the page need to be confirmed in your MetaMask wallet. So, and of course, if we go over to the marketplace and then we decide that we want to buy something, we can place a bid. We'll use our Ethereum balance to place bids, right? So the wallet controls everything, right? We can use our Ethereum wallet to purchase or make bids on these pieces of art. If you don't have enough Ethereum in your wallet, you'll want to fund your wallet from either one of your long-term storage wallets or a cryptocurrency exchange. You could buy more Ethereum if you want to do that. All right. Now let's talk about your own account. What if you would like to upload a piece of digital art? Right. I'll show you how to do that. It's not too difficult. So let's go up here to create collectible. Right, and you can make it a single unique copy, or you can make it a multiple copy, right? So you can have a piece of art that maybe you want to have 10 copies, so that there'll be, a series of 10 available. Or you want to make it a one of a kind. Let's do one of a kind on this one. And then we'll simply choose a file. I'm going to go over to my custom thumbnails. I created a lot of thumbnails for my YouTube channel, so these are pretty good example. They're not really that advanced, but it's just to give you an idea of how this all works. All right, so I'm going to go to Date Modified and choose like a really old one. There's one from 2017. Right, Ethereum wallet thumbnail. This is like one of my early thumbnails when I was just getting started in YouTube. So it's has some sentimental value to me. It might have sentimental value to other people. I don't know. We'll find out. But we'll go ahead and use this one. We'll hit open. All right, and there it is. There's the thumbnail. All right, and you're going to want to fill in some of these details here. Notice this royalty. That's the percentage that I'll get whenever this NFT gets sold down the line. Even if it changes hands like 4 or 5 times, there'll always be a 10% royalty that I'll get on this, similar to maybe a song, or if you were in a commercial, you'll get royalties whenever it gets run again, that sort of thing. Okay, I'm not going to put any of these properties in here. We'll hit create item. All right, we've got the file uploaded. Now we hit mint token, which is going to launch the smart contract, which I need to sign. You'll notice there I'm going to have to pay a little money to get this posted, right? $4.26. If that's too expensive for you, then you can reject that transaction in your wallet. Let's hit sign sell order. Let's go ahead and sign that with our MetaMask wallet. And there we go. Let's hit refresh. All right, I just got a confirmation through my MetaMask that that transaction went through. And there we go. There's the new thumbnail. Let's try change price and see what happens here. Yeah, let's go ahead and give it a price. Let's see, the other one was 0.06. Yeah, I think when I put the first one up, Ethereum was a lot less. So I think it was around 20, but I'll stick with this, 0.06. Good for me. We'll hit next step. All right, I'm going to need to sign that again with my wallet. I probably could have done this from the get-go. Right, and there you go. You'll notice that I've got these 2 thumbnails on sale. And then these are connected to my Unstoppable domain account because they are non-fungible tokens as well, but I'm not going to sell these. They're both connected to the same wallet, right? So they're showing up here in Rarible. So there you go. Showed you how to upload some digital art to Rarible so that you can participate in the marketplace. You might want to get a little fancier, maybe in Photoshop if you're a real digital artist, and add some motion to your like a animated GIF or something of that nature. But you can also just post original digital work that you've created that's simple, right? That just maybe it has sentimental value to you and maybe people that know you, right? So if you have any questions about anything I did, please throw them up in the comments and I'll do my best to get them answered. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click that will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me and hope to see you again soon.